The 10 best doctors in the world. I know by now you'll be asking yourself, who are these doctors? Where are they located? Or what are their areas of specialties? Calm down. If you can stick to this video to the end, you will know why they are being referred to as the best doctors in the world. My name is Nurse Destiny Omhenaka. I am a registered nurse and a registered midwife, and I'm also a health content creator. If you are hearing this voice for the first time, why not kindly hit on the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, share to all your loved ones and your friends, then click on the notification bell so that anytime I send a post like this, you will be the first person to get it. Now let's dive in. The number one on my list is sunshine, which is called the vitamin D doctor. What does it do? Sunshine activates vitamin D, which controls over 1,000 body functions. Now, what are the benefits of vitamin D? It strengthens bones and then teeth. It improves your mood, which means it reduces depression. It boosts immunity. It helps regulate weight and then belly fats. And it also balances your hormone. Now, what is the prescription? Just 10 to 20 minutes of morning sun daily. That is all. The number two on my list is water, which is called the internal cleanser. What does water do to your body? Water carries nutrients, it removes toxins, it prevents fatigue, and it aids digestion. Now, what is the benefit of drinking water? It will help to clear your skin, it will aid weight loss, it will prevent constipation, it enhances brain function, and then it will lubricate your joints. Now, what is a prescription? It's just 2 to 3 liters daily, unless medically restricted. The number 3 on my list is rest, which is called the repel doctor. What does it do? Your body repels itself only when you sleep. Now, what are the benefits of rest and sleep? It helps your hormone to be stable. Then it helps to lose weight. It improves memory and then mental clarity. It helps, to fasting healing, and then it gives you a better mood. Now, what is the prescription? Just 7 to 9 hours of deep sleep daily. That is all. The number 4 on my list is fresh air, which is called the oxygen doctor. Now, what does it do? Oxygen detoxifies the body and it energizes cells. What are the benefits? It improves lung capacity, it reduces stress and anxiety, it allows clearer thinking, and it strengthens heart health. Now, what is the prescription? Just 20 to 30 minutes outdoors daily. Then the number 5 on my list is good diets, which is called the food doctor. What does it do? Your body becomes what you feed it. Now, what are the benefits of good diets? It will give you strong immunity, it will reduce belly fat, it will help to balance your hormones, and it will give you a glowing skin and then also longevity. Now, what is a prescription? Take more of fruits, more of vegetables, then you eat lean proteins, whole grains, and then healthy fats. The next one on my list is exercise, which is called the movement doctor. What does it do? Movement activates your metabolism and then builds strength. Now, what are the benefits? It helps to burn fats, it prevents diabetes and hypertension, it improves heart health, it boosts energy, and it enhances your mood. Now, what is a prescription? 30 minutes daily, take a walk, take a stroll, you run, skipping, and also dancing. Now, the next one on my list is positive relationships, which is called the emotional doctor. What does it do to your body? Healthy relationship supports the mind, reduce stress, and extend life. Now, what are the benefits? It lowers blood pressure, it reduces risk of depression, emotional stability, longer life expectancy. Now, what is the prescription? Surround yourself with people that give you joy, people that make you feel happy, people that encourages you, and then run away from people that give you stress. Then the next one on my list is purpose and the mindset, which is called the mental doctor. What does it do? Having purpose reduces stress, sharpens the brain, and then boosts productivity. What are the benefits? Reduces anxiety, strengthens resilience, improves decision making, enhances happiness. Now, what is the prescription? Spend time daily doing something that gives you life meaning, something that makes you to be happy. Then the next one on my list is self-control, and then discipline, which is called the lifestyle doctor. What does it do? Discipline helps you stick to healthy routines. And what are the benefits? Consistent healthy habits, controlled weight, reduced addiction and then bad habits, better financial and emotional stability. Now, what is the prescription? Set daily goals and keep them, even if they are small, but just be consistent. The last one is gratitude and inner peace, which is called a spiritual doctor. What does it do? Gratitude reduces stress hormones and then improves overall health-being. What are the benefits? Better sleep, lower blood pressure, improved mood and then mental health, stronger relationships. Now, what is the prescription? Write down 3 things that you are grateful to God for every day.